Okay, so part two. Now, I happen to have a real short, stubby foam roller, but they're all 6 inches in diameter. And ordinarily, they'll be 36 inches long, and that's gonna give you the most options. So if you're investing in something to have at home, that's what I would do. This fits so nicely into my suitcase. And yes, my suitcase is that deep. Okay, so what you wanna do is put that foam roller on the floor, and I'm gonna roll in and out of camera view, but you kind of wanna get a little rolling on the glutes and the hamstrings as they insert or have the origin right up here. Just kind of rolling over your tailbone back and forth, and you'll feel that in the glutes, but they potentially need it, okay? And then really to roll your hamstrings, you have to do a little support of your body weight on your arms, so be careful of your shoulders. And you roll down so that you can get the length of your hamstrings from your hip to your knees. You don't roll across the knees, you just roll to them, toes up a couple of times, toes out, so it's clicking your heels together, Dorothy, and then toes in, and you roll a couple of times that way. And I'm going a little bit faster than I ordinarily would. So you want to roll about 1 inch a second, nice and slow. And that helps you massage right there. Right now, I just did both legs at once. If I wanted to really emphasize one, I could just put all my weight on that one leg. It's going to be a little bit more intense. And if you're leery of your shoulders or your neck holding a lot of tension anyway, you might want to leave this one off of your list, okay? So then I would come right back and do my stretches. And I'm going to show you what it would look like if you were sitting in a chair. So obviously I'm low to the ground here, but you would just take this one leg out in front, sit nice and tall, and hinge forward. Slight bend of this knee. So it's just like the standing stretch, only you're hinging forward. And if you've stretched, foam rolled, and stretch again, you may find that after you've rolled, it actually feels a little bit more like you've got full range of motion. And that's kind of the sandwich static stretching with foam rolling. And I'll be right back. I'm going to show you one more way to get a little bit more hamstring flexibility.